Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to access the flange on the cabin filter located at the bottom of the windscreen. Remove the flange cover on the cabin filter by unscrewing the 3 screws a quarter turn anti-clockwise. Remove the cover. Then take out the filter. Before putting a new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. There are 2 types of cabin filter. The white ones are called pollen filters, while the black ones are called activated charcoal filters. The first one helps prevent dust from entering, while the second one filters out both dust and gases. The choice is yours. Put the filter back into the cabin filter housing.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Then, screw the cover back on. Operation completed.